Hi, my name's Tom. This is my backyard, and this is my back patio, and this is my trip hazard. At night, you cannot see where the patio and the grass meet because it's just too dark. Additionally, this whole patio is kind of dark and dingy when you're out here at night. So what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and install brand new landscape lighting to go ahead and bring some accent lights and bring some real safety to this whole edge of my patio. I'm not going to spend thousands of dollars. I'm not going to take hours or days to go ahead and do it. I'm going to do it in about 10 minutes on my own. Let me show you how. To accomplish that, I'm going to use these XMCOSY solar pathway lights. I've actually used these before on my front walkway where the same idea was there. It was dark and it was hard to walk and it was hard to see. So I'm going to go ahead and use these things, these heavy duty lights, put them in my backyard, and you'll see the amazing difference. I got a set of 4, and the way it works is you get a couple different pieces. First of all, you get the metal pole that actually sticks out of the ground, and in that pole, there we go, is a nice spike. You put that onto the end of the pole, just like that. Just kind of push it in. Okay, we're ready to put that into the ground. That's all you have to do. You also get this light. Look at this light. A couple quick things here. There is a metal top. That's metal, not plastic, and it's a solid metal. It holds up to the elements. It is IP6 rated. It's good for rain or for snow, whatever you need. On top is the solar panel itself. I'm going to go ahead and peel the little plastic liner off of the solar panel. There we go. That's one step done. Now, this is solid glass. This is water glass. It just looks like a flowing, nice glass. Look at this. It's not clear plastic. It is glass. It will not yellow. Just look at that. It looks great. And then the actual shell around it is plastic, but that's kind of just for lightweight. You don't really, it's kind of a decorative light. And you can see it's kind of a copper bronzy color. So you have the water glass, you have the bronzy color plastic kind of a shell around it, and then you actually have the metal top. Now, cool thing about this is that here's the next step for it. You can open them up. You can clean them out if you have to. I haven't had a need to on the front ones, but here we go. Here's the light. I'm just going to pull this little thing out. That little tab activates the battery. So now, when it gets dark, the light comes on. I'm covering up the sensor. The light sensor is in here as well. So what happens is these things sit outside all day long. They suck in light. They save all that energy. There's a whole battery pack built in there. And then when it gets dark enough, they come on and you can see, wow, that looks really, really nice. That is a beautiful light. That just looks great. And again, on my front walk, they look wonderful. I'm excited to put them on my back walk. So there we go. In 15 seconds, I installed the pole. In about 30 seconds, I took the little battery saver thing out. You ready? There we go. My light's now installed and it works. I'm going to go ahead and put them in my backyard. So in my backyard, I have all of my lights assembled and ready to go. All I need to do now is to go ahead and find where I want to put them and sink them into the ground. It's really easy. I'm going to put one right here on the edge. I'm going to put another one over here. So here we are. I've installed 4 of them around the edge of my patio. I will let them go ahead and charge up all day long. Obviously, it's a gray and cloudy day today. They will still get a charge. The sunnier it is, they will get more charge on sunny days. But even on cloudy days, they do tend to go ahead and pull in enough energy to run for at least 3 or 4 hours every night. When it's a really, really sunny day, they can easily go for 6 to 8 hours at night. And so here we are. Here's my back patio. After it's been dark, they have charged up enough to go ahead and throw off tons of light here. You can see how sparkly they are. It's a nice, beautiful, warm light. It just looks great. They look like professional lights with plug-in electric, but they are solar. So that's wonderful. The water glass just makes them sparkle. You can see the star-shaped design, or kind of the starburst design that they throw off. It's just beautiful. I might have to pick up some more, because they look so good. I can see my wife saying, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the patio with these. As you can see, they just look really amazing. I am really impressed by the light. It's nice and bright. It's a warm light. It looks great. Another great feature is you can pick these things up and move them around. So if you're going to go ahead and mow the lawn, maybe they're in the way, maybe you just kind of want to move them out of the way for a little bit while you trim, that's fine. Pick them up, put them away, go ahead and pull them back out when you're done, put them in a different spot. You can move them around, you can rearrange, you can put shapes in the yard, whatever you want. They're just very pretty, very cool. I just love how they look. That real glass makes a big difference. The real metal top makes a big difference. It has some heft to it. It's not going to get blown away. It's good for snow and for rain. Again, it's waterproof. These things just look great, and I highly recommend them.